and a bag has all our things. To a beautiful town outside of the city, and in this area it doesn't have any internet. Someone is gonna cry because there is no internet. I scheduled the drive to come at 7 because let's see if the husband enjoys it. I think he's excited. Earlier he said he was excited, so let's see how that goes. Anyways, hello. Manners and respect. How are you? I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day wherever you are in the world. I'll be taking you along this trip. Let's see how it goes. Adults are gone on vacation and we're off. I'm whispering because I don't want the husband to know what I'm up to. You ready? Okay. Are you excited? I am in a pueblo mágico called Presa, Brockman, and it's very crowded. I've learned that it's the intention to go to a place where they do ornaments, but I was taken here and I'm surprised to see that there's a lot of people, but it's mostly Mexicans. It's a Pueblo Magical secret place not a lot of people know about.
Presa Brockman. Presa Brockman.
Presa Brockman. The air is fresh, the place is cold. Plaza Brockman.
Por allá está la gente. Que tocar el carro que la el agua.
Estamos en un otro pueblo, se llama El Oro. It was a gold mine, I was told.
Iglesia.
Sí.
Vamos a ir ahí. Subimos por la botella para que vean.
Para.
Lo que quieras. Por ahora estoy enojada contigo desde ayer. Entonces no me pides nada.
¿Quieres? ¿Cómo se llama?
Son quelites nabos. Quelites.
Quelites, como espinaca.
Ajá, como espinaca.
¿Cuántos tipos de espinaca hay en el mundo?
De quelites son muchos. Ah, sí.
¿En serio?
Sí.
¿Y este cómo es? ¿Qué es eso?
Ese se llama guaje.
¿Para música? ¿Hacer música?
Ajá, no. En taco.
¿En serio?
Ajá.
Es muy fuerte.
Eso es lo que es muy fuerte.
¿Cómo preparar?
Así, nada más le quitas esto y
Lo saca de la vaina. Es aquí adentro la semilla es la que se come. Se hace en salsa.
pero es muy fuerte. Como un ajo. Sofi, no.
Sí, agárrala, no pasa nada.
So the train, they have a restaurant and it is stationary. And this is the line to get in. Finish viewing this small pueblo, which was an old mine. And we are heading towards Tlalpujahua. And this is where the Christmas balls or the decorations for or ornaments for the Christmas tree, they're handmade. They're trying to stall me so we go there later in the night, but I want to see it from like dusk till dawn, and so that's what we're about to do right now.
¿A poco?
¿Qué?
Caminando.
Esta es la villa caminando.
From here they were walking to La Villa. La Villa de la Villita, Mexico. Peregrino.
Órale. We're making another attempt at going to Center Town. ¿Cómo se llama el Tlalpujahua? Yesterday we were in traffic. It was too much and we and so now we're making an attempt, but this time earlier in the morning. I wanted to see the transition from evening to night, but I'm only gonna go in the morning. But first we're gonna get food and then we head to see what the hype is about. There's a lot of people here from different parts of Mexico, Estado de Mexico, Querétaro, Guanajuato, Jalisco, Veracruz. I haven't seen anybody from Oaxaca. Any cars from Oaxaca, but yeah, a lot of people come here for ornaments and Michoacan. We are in a market to get food. I'm hungry. When you're in a pueblo, you try and find food and eat like the locals do. Aquí gonna get
Me da una quesadilla de champiñones.
señora preparando.
¿Preparé una de estas? ¿Una de estas?
Sí,
¿Nada más o...?
ahora solamente los dos.
Ajá. ¿A usted? ¿No?
Una cortita.
Ah, sí, guardada. ¿Y la de usted?
Ahí va, hombre, yo, güey, dale. Mira nomás, ay, mejor que el escuero. No hay más, ¿verdad? Aquí lo tienes. Sí, para Yolanda aquí de zanahoria uno. Por favorcito. Ahí quedó, el uno. ¿Pongo tapa o así?
Así está bien, gracias.
Adelante. Nombre, ahí lo...
Toronja. Sí, ¿quieres? Provechito.
son hechos a mano. Hay mucha gente que viene aquí para comprar con los árboles.